Hi, I'm Tony, site manager for SDM. Today we're at Runwell. It's our first day here and we're building a new primary school. Today we've taken delivery of our first steelwork. It's lot 1, it's about 15 tonne. It's one of 5 deliveries. Our first job today was to be inducted. We arrived at 7:30 for an 8 o'clock induction. We all sat down in their meeting room, went through a video and filled out our necessary forms. The client on this job is Morgan Sindall. We've worked for them numerous times. I think this is the 3rd school we've done in Essex for them in the last few years. We have a very good relationship.
I am Charlie Fix. I am the site manager here for Morgan Sindall at our Runwell School in Essex. So what we're constructing here is a new build primary school for 210 places and a nursery building which will be brick and block, and then we've got the steel frame which SDM are doing. This is in a new development in Wickford in Essex, so it will be a completely new build for the community around here. It will be great for them to have a new school. We started on site in September of 2021 and we'll look to hand over in the summer of next year, ready for the school to move in September 2022. I've met Tony a few times from SDM and we had the pre-start and that kind of thing. Looking forward to having the boys on site to actually get the job done, get it up and get going.
The project consists of 63 tonne of fabricated steel, all fabricated by SDM in March. The building is split into 3 areas. We start at the kitchen, which is a single-storey building. Then it goes into the hall and then into the main primary school. It's a nice drive in today. We're in a nice new community in Essex and it's good to be building a new primary school for the new residents of this new village. It's a pleasure to be working here with Morgan Sindall. Join us again and maybe you'll see this project when it's completed.